just arrived at the East Lincolnshire Aviation Museum, and had a fantastic ride here. It's a bit of rain, but not a problem because I'm waterproof. So there was trusty steed. It's just open, so let's go in. Rather a splendid museum by the looks. Fantastic. Now, apparently this hangar's the place to look. Let's head inside. Here's the Lancaster. Wow, isn't it fantastic? It's a fantastic, beautiful, beautiful aircraft. What a rather splendid museum so far. So just enjoying looking at this magnificent Lancaster bomber. Interesting museum because it really does have an awful lot of collected items. Some of them from crashes have been salvaged or recovered, engines and things, but rather than bore you with that, let's just interest you with Just Jane, the Lancaster bomber. Not doing any engine runs today. If I'd have come yesterday, I think it would have been running up and down doing taxi rides. Not that I could have had a ride in it, because apparently it's about 18-month booking to get a ride. Fantastic. Let's see what the rest of the museum has to offer anyway. East Kirkby, Lincolnshire, and in this case, the route to Berlin. Okay, it's time to explore this rather wonderful control tower. Hello, Pussycat. Hello. Are you an aeroplane World War II bomber cat? You're a bomber cat. Hello. Oh, that's nice meeting visitors, isn't it? Right. Well, riding the Lincolnshire Wolds is rather amazing, and at the one of the highest points, I'm at what was RAF's Stennigot, and as you can see behind me, probably, hopefully, this is the last surviving tower in the UK, last surviving tower of the home chain radar system. So it's really quite an important structure historically. Still in use, but not as a radar tower. Right, time to carry on. Once again, high up on the Lincolnshire wolds, another memorial, or a memorial to another RAF base. It looks like it was maybe a Lancaster bomber base. Squadron, 1943. Such an amazing place, the Lincolnshire wolds. Quiet and just beautiful. And what's left of the air base here, but